Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to rebuild our website whenever we make changes in Contentful. So this will be done through Webhooks. So for that, we need to go to Netlify website and we need to go to deploys, and here we need to click on deploy settings. And if I scroll down, here you can see build hook. Okay, so let's add our first build hook, and here we can call it as Contentful. And we are going to build it from our master branch. So let's save this, and now let's copy this URL. Okay, so let me copy this. So now it is copied, and let's go to Contentful, and here inside the settings we need to click on webhooks, and then we need to create our hook. So add webhook. Here the name we can give it as Netlify, and here we need to paste the URL. Okay, we need to specify the triggering events. Okay, so click on this, and then whenever we publish the content, we need this event to trigger, then unpublish, then we need to select delete, and even on archive. Okay, so these are the events which occurred. Whenever this event occurred, this will trigger, and there will be a change in the there will be a deployment in the Netlify, and then we can see the changes. So let's save this. So let's go to, let me refresh the log. Okay, cool. So let's go to content model, and we need to go to blog, and let's do some changes. Okay, so let's go to content actually, uh, and here we need to select blog, and let's change the title of first blog to awesome first blog post. Okay, so let me publish this change. So now as you can see, it is published. Let's go to Netlify, let's go to deploy, and as you can see, this trigger is coming from by a hook which is Contentful, and here it is building. So we need to wait for a while, and then we can preview the changes. Okay, now we can preview the changes. So as you can see, here it is awesome first blog post. So this is it, and I hope you like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.